Alright, so today's video is going to be a super beginner friendly video. I partnered up with my friend London, who was so kind to reach out to me, Z Red, and asked me if I can review her eyelash line, which is LondonLashesOfficial. You can find her on Instagram, and also that is the name of her website. You can find her at www.LondonLashesOfficial.com. I'll make sure I link that down below. Also, here is her card. I don't know if you can see it, but this is what her card looks like. Excuse my nails. Oh my geez. But this is her card. And then this is the packaging for her lashes. It's so freaking cute. And then it has like the logo on the back. But these are like the ones that she didn't release. So I was so fortunate to put my hands on these, and I'll be showing you how to apply them. But they're 100% mink, and they will be going on today's video for my beginner friendlies. And they're so freaking cute. So I did wear one pair when I went out. What was this, 2 weeks ago? And this is what they look like. This is the one called Diamond. Oh my god, they're so freaking cute. Let me take, well, this is what they look like inside, but since I wore them, I just put them back inside the box. So they're already cut to fit my eye. But this is what they look like. They look so freaking cute, and they look so natural. Like once they're applied, they're bomb. These are really bomb. These are legit. And this other one is named Ice, so I'm be getting my first reaction. I love those. The diamond ones are really, really cute. Shout out to London for those. These are the one that's called Ice. So, oh, I love these. London knew what she was doing when she sent me these, because girl, y'all know I love a natural lash. These look so freaking bomb. These look amazing. I think I'm going to put these on today. I'm going to go ahead and take my Lash Renegade mascara, and I'm just going to apply that to my eye, just so that the lash can like stick. So I'm going to take the lash, and you see like these little ends. I'm going to cut those off. You see them? They're like on both ends. I'm going to cut those off because those will stab you. I cut it off. See if you can see it. Yeah, I cut it off. So now I'm going to take it and place it on top of my eyelid so that I can see how much I need to cut off to make it fit on my eye. So it looks like I just need to cut off about just this much, like the last lash. I'm just going to cut that off. So now it looks like this. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and take my Duo Lash Glue. And some people don't like to do it this way, but I do. I just squeeze it till it comes like up to the tip. I don't like the bubbles. And then just place it on the band of the lash. So it looks like that. So this is what it looks like once the glue is applied on the lashes band. And I'm just going to blow that a little bit, just so it could get like a little tacky. And I just take the mirror and lay it like this way so that it makes it easier to look directly towards your eyelid. I like to put it strictly towards the middle first. That way I can pull it. So I like to put it directly in the middle, like I said, just so that I could adjust the ends to where they need to be. And then I just take my finger and push down. And there you have it. My lashes are applied. These are so cute and they're so freaking light. Like, I love it. And then I like to just take some more mascara. This one, the Wet n Wild, and I just put it like at the bottom of my lower lash line. Alright guys, so this is the final look of my London lashes. And for more info on these, you could check out her website at LondonLashesOfficial.com. These particular lashes run for about $25.99, I believe. You can check that out on her website and on her Instagram. If you do decide to purchase them, please send her a message on London Lashes Official on Instagram and say Z-Red sent you. She'll know exactly who you're speaking of. And just purchase these bomb lashes. Like, you get up to like 25 wears out of these, so just take care of them, upkeep them, clean them off after you use them. You can take them off, put them back on, keep them on, however you decide. I really fell in love with these. Like, these are the ice lashes that I have on. They're 100% mink, and they're a part of her 3D Magnificent collection. These are super bomb, y'all. Like, they're so worth it. They're like so worth it. And if you're like me, number one, that wears makeup and shadows, you're not gonna always want to wear like the individual minks. Not knocking the girls hustles that do that, but girls like me who like to, you know, wear a full face, I'm not gonna want like fallout on my lashes afterwards. Like, and then sometimes you can't even see them depending on the type of the set that you get. But yeah, these are like super cute. Like, I love these. Like, just look at them. Oh my god. Like, look at my lashes, y'all. Like, they just look so bomb. And I just feel like just going out like this, like this, like, sis, you can't even say like, I don't even need a full face. Like, this is literally lip gloss and just my lashes. Like, hey London, hey girl. But for real, these are like in the packaging. Look at the packaging. It's to die for. It's so freaking cute. It's so cute. But yeah, check out London. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe on this video. Hashtag Lash Doll underneath. I hope this beginner friendly video was helpful to someone who didn't know how to apply lashes before. And yeah, always be a goddess. Becoming a part of the game.